Want glowing skin and a healthy body? This 800-year-old secret works. It starts with nature's priceless gift, Longan, also known as Chinese lychee. First, these brown lychees are washed thoroughly in water to remove all kinds of dust. After washing, they are dried in the sun for a whole day. When they dry up and become brittle, each grain is cracked open, its skin is separated, and only its sweet and powerful pulp is extracted. This pulp is the treasure that creates new blood in the body. American Ginseng. This special root gives the body coolness and energy. It is softened by steaming. Now these soft roots are cut into small pieces so that they can dry well. When all the pieces are cut, they are spread out in a small wooden frame and then dried in the sun. When these roots dry and become hard as stone, they are ground into a very fine powder by grinding them on a stone mortar or in a mortar. Now it's time to combine these two ingredients. We put the Longan pulp into separate bowls, exactly measured on the scale. The principle is that in each bowl, this precious ginseng powder is sprinkled on top of the pulp. Then, with the help of a spoon, they are mixed well so that the powder is absorbed into the fibers of the pulp. Now comes the most important secret of this recipe. We first place a layer of rice in the steamer basket. This rice not only acts as a stand, but it also absorbs the heat of this medicine so that it is not heavy on the stomach. These bowls are placed on top of the rice and covered with a white muslin cloth, and then the steaming process begins. This is not a 1 or 2 hour job, but rather a process that continues for several days. During this time, we remove the old rice and add new rice, which is called rice exchange, so that the temperature and effectiveness of the medicine remain perfectly balanced. After several hours and days of continuous steaming, you can see that the brown pulp has now turned completely black and thick. This is the sign that the medicine is now ripe and ready. It is called Al-Razi Herbal Paste. There was still a little bit of a paste left, so we put it back on the fire and gave it more steam. Several hours later, when we removed the steam again, it was perfectly cooked. Now this black thick paste is just perfect. We will take it out and put it in a sugar bowl. Wow, our paste or medicine is completely ready. The method of use is very simple. Take a spoonful of this paste, mix a little honey and warm water in it, and drink it. It not only brings natural redness and glow to the face, but it is also a blessing for those whose bodies are dehydrated or have severe anemia. It is the best natural remedy for insomnia and fatigue,